Hello everyone. Today we will talk about normal distribution. How to calculate the probability of different items in normal distribution. We will explain with the help of an example. In this example, mean is 750, standard deviation is 190, and we want to find out the probability of x less than 300, less than 350, less than 400, and so on, less than equals to 1250. To find the probability of x less than or equal to 300, we use function equal normal distribution. First, we take the value of x, which is 300, which is available in A7, comma, mean is 750. To fix this, we will use F4 here, comma, then we write standard deviation, which is available in C4. Again, to fix this, we press F4, and now because we want cumulative value, so we use here true. Like it close and enter. This will give you the probability of x less than equals to 300. Now we want to find out the probability of x less than equals to 350. So we'll just copy this and paste here. And if you want to find out similarly the probability of x less than equal to 400, x less than equal to 450, we are just copying all and pasting up to 1250. So we have the probability of all. You just see here, what's the probability of x less than equal to 750? It is 50%. Why? Because mean is 750, and when we say something is normally distributed, 50% items lies below mean. Now to calculate the probability x less than equals to 300, we'll use equal and the same function is available in C1. So this gives us the probability of x less than equals to 300. Now we want to find out the probability lies between 300 to 350. So we'll use this equal the probability of x less than equal to 350 minus the probability of x less than equals to 300. This will give you the probability lies between 300 to 350. Similarly, if you want to find out the probability lies between 350 to 400, 400 to 450, we'll copy this formula and drag up to 1250. What do you mean by the last answer? Last answer means the probability lies between 1200 to 1250. Hope it is helpful. Thank you.